Hello, welcome to Pretty Plump and Trying. My name is Amanda. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're interested in beauty, plus size fashion, unboxings, and more, today we'll be unboxing my October BoxyCharm. If you guys are not familiar with BoxyCharm, I do get the base box. The base box is $25 a month and it retails for, I believe, $125, I promise you. I think so. I'll put the information in my description box just in case. I just got out of work and I am like, I'm getting this done. The box came pretty early, so I was excited and I'm tired. I threw on some quick makeup and I was just, I'm doing it. Today is October 8th. I'm trying to get this out to you guys by tonight. So that is my goal. We will see. But speaking of my just quick little makeup look, I did happen to use my liquid lipstick that I got from my staycation mystery bag. So if you guys have not seen that video, it is in my playlist, or I don't know if I have a playlist. Do I? It's the one right before this. So this color is Power Trip, and that's actually what I have on my lips today. Super pigmented, dried really quick, and I was not mad at it. And I also have something from my AOA haul, which is this loose pigment in Enchanted. Real quick, this was a 5-minute look. I could not do a longer one today. Just one of those days, but it came out, it's pretty, it's simple. And I actually did really like this pigment. I may look to get more depending on how I like the other couple I got. But yeah, those are just all videos that I have, so please, if you like my content, go ahead and watch it. Now, the October theme for BoxyCharm is going to be Candy Shop. On the back, it does show you everything I received along with the retail value, and I do have variation 55. So let's go with the first item. The first item I got is from Lave Lashes, and it is a set of faux mink lashes. These retail for $19.99, and they say that you can use one pair up to 15 times. I normally don't wear any sort of fake lashes, so these are going to go to a friend, and she's just going to look amazing in them like she normally does. So, yeah, not bad so far. And let's go with the next item. The next item I got is from Sol de Janeiro, and it is a lip butter. And this is in the shade Keep It Rio. I do like the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, so I'm not mad at ever getting a product or trying a product from them. And they normally smell really good. Now, I know the Bum Bum Cream smells pretty intense, and it does last a good amount of time, which positives and negatives to that, it all depends on how you are with scents. I don't mind them, but it happens where people just don't like it. But here's what the packaging looks like. Really cute. Let me show you what the color. There's a tint. Yeah, this is going to end up just going right in my purse. This will be a nice thing to just be able to throw on as a just in case. So, yeah, I'm excited. Speaking of smell, because I might as well. It doesn't smell bad. It's definitely a sweet scent, and it's not nearly as intense as the Bum Bum creams that you get, so I'm happy with this. This retails for $20, by the way. The next thing I got was my choice item, and I decided to go with Versailles Privé Quench, and it is a moisturizing serum. That's what the bottle looks like. I figured with the change in seasons, it's always nice to have something moisturizing because my skin does get really dry in the winter, so I'm excited to try this out. This retails for $24, and you're not going to be using much product at all. It literally just says to apply a few drops to damp skin before your creams in the morning and night. So for $24, it's not bad because I don't see myself using a lot of this product, so this will last me a pretty good while. So yay, I'm excited. The next thing I got is from Lexi, and it is the Wonderlust set. It is a 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. Let's see what they look like. I'm always a big fan of Lexi brushes. I do think they're really good quality. Here's what they look like. And I do happen to get quite a few in my Ipsy or my BoxyCharm, so I'm happy because that means I don't have to buy them. Because I know these can be a good amount of money, so let's see how much these retail for. Yep, these retail for $40. It comes with, let's see, a tapered brush, a blending brush, a medium angle brush, large shader brush, brow and lash brush. Yeah, so really nice, and I'll definitely use them. Yeah, I'm excited. I always like a good Luxie brush, and I actually really like the one I got in one of my Ipsy bags. I think it was a mystery bag. I really like that one. Washed it and it works amazing. Okay, my last and final item is from Ciate London, and this is the New England Editor's Palette. Show you what it looks like. Cute packaging. Let's see if I can show you the colors. Here are the colors. This retails for $32. Let's see. It is a mix and match of metallics, glitters, and mattes for an effortless. Oh, I'm so sorry. I look. So let's see. Let's open it back up again. Yeah, they're definitely, definitely pretty colors. There you go. Yeah, you'll be able to do quite a few looks. I'll be interested in the glitters. I normally don't like glitter formulas. I'm just really weird with things like that being in my eyes or being by my eyes, so we'll see. But normally I don't have a problem with Ciate London, so I'm excited to try them out, and I'll definitely let you guys know how I like the palette, or I'll even try to possibly use it in an upcoming video. I just have to see, like, everything came at once. I have some FabFitFun mystery bags that I'm excited to show you guys what I got, and then this came, and I think I have something else that came, and I don't know. Before, nothing was coming, and now everything. So I'm excited that I do have upcoming videos for you guys, and I have content that I'm excited to show you. So hopefully you guys are enjoying what you're seeing, and I am definitely up for any sort of suggestions for other videos, so please let me know. But just a quick reminder that you are graceful, glamorous, fantastic, and at the end of the day, if it's not a good day, that's okay. So all we can do is try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.